Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a DAW, a reliable audio or Midi engine, and a clean audio file. Once done, create a new project and set the tempo to match the song. Import the WAV or FLAC into a single track and enable transient and pitch detection in the plugin. Make sure to analyze the clip so the tool can identify notes. This first step primes the software to extract pitch and timing data accurately, so you get usable Midi candidates immediately. Once analysis finishes, run the extraction in the plugin's polyphonic mode for mixed textures or monophonic for solos. You'll see detected blobs or note events. Correct octave errors and split overlaps where the algorithm merged notes. Make sure to merge tiny fragments caused by vibrato and remove spurious detections below a loudness threshold. Then quantize timing conservatively, nudging rather than snapping harshly. These editing steps convert noisy detection output. You finish by exporting the cleaned Midi from the plugin or by dragging detected notes into a Midi track. Include tempo and key in the file name to stay organized. Load the Midi onto instruments, then adjust velocities and note lengths to match feel and dynamics. Make sure to check polyphonic passages for missed harmonies and manually add notes where needed. If the Midi is still messy, try extracting from separated stems or isolate a monophonic line and reprocess. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.